Hey everyone, back here again, more Pokemon packs open up for you. This time I have two Crystal Guardian packs. So here we go. Let's hope for something really cool. Not sure of the trick, so we'll just go right through them. Spoink, really cool Delta Charmander, Torchic, Cacnea, Meditate. Very nice. That is a reverse rare Grovyle. And a very nice hollow Love Disc with a Nuzleaf and a War Turtle. So very nice. Got a hollow and a reverse rare in our first pack. Very cool. And on to the next one. Alright, we have Mudkip, Energy Search, Krabby, Electrike, Diglett, that is a reverse Lairon, and a Combuskin. Very cool. And we have Holland Circle and Charmeleon. So very cool. Got a hollow Love Disc, a reverse rare Grovyle, and a rare Combuskin. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.